I'm Kylie Deppen with Joyful Health and Wellness based out of New York City, and today we're going to make carrot slaw with raisins. Even though this sounds like a really healthy dish, if you make it the traditional way, it can be loaded with fat and sugar. So today I'm going to be replacing the mayonnaise with Greek yogurt, which is full of protein and much lower calorie, about half the calories of traditional mayonnaise. And if you're dairy-free, which I am, you could also use a low-fat vegan mayonnaise as well, and that would work just fine. So I've got half a cup of Greek yogurt, and you want to make sure to get plain, and you're going to mix your wet ingredients first. I use the same bowl to mix in that I'm actually going to put the salad in. That'll save you from washing more dishes. Okay, so next we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of lemon, and I've already squeezed some of it in here, but just to show you, this is a great little gadget to invest in if you use a lot of lemon juice like I do. And you're just going to whisk everything together until you get a nice creamy dressing. Now, raisins are really loaded with calories and sugar, and I like to be a little bit more moderate with those. So instead of using as much raisins, I'm actually using half cup of crushed pineapple, and it has almost a fourth of the calories per ounce as the raisins do. So if you can see here, we're getting a really nice creamy salad dressing, okay? So I've got 4 cups of shredded carrots here. And I bought these pre-shredded, but by all means, shred your own with a food processor or an actual grater. You're welcome to do that. Use my tongs here and just incorporate the salad into the carrots. Mix that up really good. Try not to fling dressing all over the place like I am. And you can also add in, finally, the raisins. This is a half cup, and there's almost 30 grams of sugar in just a half cup of raisins. So you want to, especially if you are diabetic or have issues with your blood sugar, you want to go really easy on the raisins. Another nice addition to this would be some chopped nuts. Any kind would be great, and it would add just a little more protein. Okay, you're already getting some protein with the Greek yogurt, but you probably want to let the salad marinate in the fridge for about an hour, and that way it can really soak into the carrots and soften them up. And that is how you make carrot raisin slaw. I'm Kylie Deppen. For more healthy, quick recipes, check out my website, joyfulhealthandwellness.com, and thanks for watching.